Time now for our bite of the week. It comes from our Chief Executive Officer of the group, Gary Allen, who was reflecting on his interaction with former broadcaster Dorraine. Dorraine died on Tuesday after a battle with cancer. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
As the group CEO and on behalf of the board of directors, this is a significant loss for the group. It's a significant loss for the industry. Dorraine has been with us for decades, almost 4 decades now, and has made a significant contribution to our standing in the society, both in radio and television. And her departure comes as a great loss to us. Even though we knew that she wasn't well, we were all hoping for the best. But she is such a personable individual and such a hard worker with good work ethic, committed to the group, served us in so many capacities.
Bite of the week.